Government issued before of that. Are you right there or not? Right. So always keep the same direction application. Boss, take picture after. Otherwise, we won't use it.
What is my target?
Here.
Which one? The hole in the middle? Oh, the white things are my target.
Okay, good. Oh my God! Don't take a picture after shooting. Otherwise, won't shoot instructor. Police, usually what they doing, past shooting, they just doesn't matter if it's the center or what, you just hit the target, that's good.
Only this one target.
Only one.
Only my own now. I get
Aiming.
I was laughing.
You were laughing at me?
Trying to shoot somebody, all I could hear was Abby Katie. And you still got 100. I don't understand.
I was, I Jerry, I really hope. What is this policeman doing? Okay.
He's a policeman.
Yeah, but why is he shooting? That's not your target. Oh my God, you're shooting blank. Jesus, Jerry, no. Target the circle in the middle. Oh my God, look at this guy. Oh my God, look at him shooting blank. Jerry, the target is the white thing in the middle. Stay within the red circle.
He shot which guy?
That guy in the middle.
Which guy?
The guy in red. Yeah, but Aya's doing well, but I can't really see. Oh, look at him. Can you see that? Oh, he's doing good.
No, because there's a mirror.
Oh, but he's doing good. He stayed. He's shot the guy. He's gone. The feeling of what? You liked it, right?
I loved it.
So I think you have anger problems.
I do.
Oh.
You know what it is?
What?
No, wait, I want to see my...
Yeah, look who joined. Oh, look who joined the 100 club.
You need to fire this guy.
Jerry, you are fired because you are what? Let me see what. 38. You are not serious. Let me see. Jerry, oh.
I'll have you know that this one, I did it intentionally.
Why?
I just wanted to know if it was rigged or not. Let it not be that we're just firing blank bullets and then.
No, Jerry, you were shooting blanks.
Wait, why would you think?
Hey, AJ in the hill. Jerry, hold up your. Let me see. With pride, because you are the police officer. 88. Jerry, but Jerry, this is where you are supposed to shoot. Why are you?
Anymore.
You don't what?
I want to see myself in these clothes. When I put
So they
them on,
came out right here. They got 96 points.
they're down.
That's how they came out.
What is
Better
that?
than try me.
Try me. Hey! Mess around.